One ticket to New York, please.
One ticket to New York, please.
A one-way ticket.
A one-way ticket.
A round-trip ticket.
A round-trip ticket.
Have a good trip.
Have a good trip.
From here to there.
From here to there.
How long does it take by car?
How long does it take by car?
How long is the flight?
How long is the flight?
I'd like to make a reservation.
I'd like to make a reservation.
I'm coming right now.
I'm coming right now.
I'm going home in 4 days.
I'm going home in 4 days.
I'm looking for the post office.
I'm looking for the post office.
One way or round trip?
One way or round trip?
Please take me to the airport.
Please take me to the airport.
They arrived yesterday.
They arrived yesterday.
What time are you going to the bus station?
What time are you going to the bus station?
When does he arrive?
When does he arrive?
When does the bank open?
When does the bank open?
When does the bus leave?
When does the bus leave?
Where is she from?
Where is she from?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
I am lost.
I am lost.
Can you show me where it is on the map?
Can you show me where it is on the map?
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead.
Where can I buy a bus ticket?
Where can I buy a bus ticket?
Is the seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
That is my seat.
That is my seat.
Do you know the number to call a taxi?
Do you know the number to call a taxi?
Can you wait here for a moment?
Can you wait here for a moment?
Where is the car rental?
Where is the car rental?
I want full coverage insurance.
I want full coverage insurance.
I do not need insurance.
I do not need insurance.
Where is the next gas station?
Where is the next gas station?
The car is damaged.
The car is damaged.
Is it a direct flight?
Is it a direct flight?
If there are intermediate stops on this flight,
If there are intermediate stops on this flight,
how many flights a day?
How many flights a day?
When do I have to be at the airport?
When do I have to be at the airport?
How much luggage am I allowed?
How much luggage am I allowed?
How much does the ticket cost?
How much does the ticket cost?
Cancel this request, please.
Cancel this request, please.
Where is the airport building?
Where is the airport building?
Where does the record go?
Where does the record go?
Send the luggage to the hotel.
Send the luggage to the hotel.
How much do you need to pay for excess weight?
How much do you need to pay for excess weight?
I would like to make the reservation in the non-smoking section.
I would like to make the reservation in the non-smoking section.
Seat by the window, please.
Seat by the window, please.
Could you change your seat to mine, please?
Could you change your seat to mine, please?
Bring me a pillow, please.
Bring me a pillow, please.
I would like to order drinks.
I would like to order drinks.
Can you translate this into English?
Can you translate this into English?
Please do not smoke here.
Please, do not smoke here.
How long does it postpone the flight?
How long does it postpone the flight?
Do we stay here for a long time?
Do we stay here for a long time?
When will we be arriving?
When will we be arriving?
Put the stamp on my passport, please.
Put the stamp on my passport, please.
What is the purpose of your trip?
What is the purpose of your trip?
It is my first visit.
It is my first visit.
For how long are you planning to stay?
For how long are you planning to stay?
I'm going to stay here for 2 weeks.
I'm going to stay here for 2 weeks.
Here is my transit visa.
Here is my transit visa.
I only have the objects for personal use.
I only have the objects for personal use.
I have nothing to declare.
I have nothing to declare.
Store with exemption of customs duties.
Store with exemption of customs duties.
Can you buy something at this airport?
Can you buy something at this airport?
Can I ask for the ticket?
Can I ask for the ticket?
Where can I receive my luggage?
Where can I receive my luggage?
I cannot find my luggage.
I cannot find my luggage.
My luggage was spoiled, but some things are missing.
My luggage was spoiled, but some things are missing.
Take these things to the taxi stand, please.
Take these things to the taxi stand, please.
In the luggage there are fragile objects.
In the luggage, there are fragile objects.
You can take this cart.
You can take this cart.
Will I have time to change?
Will I have time to change?
How much time does it take to make a transfer?
How much time does it take to make a transfer?
The duty-free shop.
The duty-free shop.
Boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
Non-smoking area.
Non-smoking area.
I'd like to make a phone call.
I'd like to make a phone call.
Confirm a reservation.
Confirm a reservation.
What terminal do you need?
What terminal do you need?
This terminal is for international flights.
This terminal is for international flights.
Where do you come from?
Where do you come from?
When is the next flight for Mexico?
When is the next flight for Mexico?
And what time does my plane leave?
And what time does my plane leave?
When does the plane arrive?
When does the plane arrive?
What is the number of the door?
What is the number of the door?
I'm sorry, but the flight has been cancelled.
I'm sorry, but the flight has been cancelled.
Do you prefer a window or aisle seat?
Do you prefer a window or aisle seat?
The security guard.
The security guard.
The race sorter.
The race sorter.
Where is the customs office?
Where is the customs office?
Inside the plane you have to turn off mobile phones.
Inside the plane, you have to turn off mobile phones.
Electronic devices cannot be used inside the aircraft.
Electronic devices cannot be used inside the aircraft.
Breakfast is served during the flight.
Breakfast is served during the flight.
Can you please help me with the bags?
Can you please help me with the bags?
Do you have carry-on luggage?
Do you have carry-on luggage?
Put the suitcase on the scale, please.
Put the suitcase on the scale, please.
You have to check the luggage.
You have to check the luggage.
Bon voyage, and good rest.
Bon voyage, and good rest.